I just showed up at this job. I haven't been here since I did the rough-in on the electrical. And they did this metal siding, this lock-in metal siding. I can see on the fascia there's a little oil canning. We do vinyl soffit and siding and wood siding and soffit. I kind of like the flat look. I see a few little bent trim places, but that's going to be a hassle. See how that's recessed? Yeah, we're going to have to get extension rings or something for that. The box looks okay down in there, but windows and doors look pretty. Oh, the staining looks good. They've done a one spray coat, and he's saying that they don't want to come back until after I put the receptacles and switches in and covers. But really, they should put another coat on here before I come in here because it's going to end up being an issue. This is the galley kitchen. Little bathroom. My panel on this side of the house. This all looks good. Sheetrock looks real good. I don't like when they spray a house, but that's okay. This is that upper level they were talking about doing. He did it. My receptacles look right for the height. I wonder why they put the base in before the floor. That doesn't make sense unless they're going to put 3/4, like a little quarter round down there. A little 3/4 inch cove at the base or something. All this looks good. Yep, sheetrock looks good in here. Yep. Closet. Go over to the other side. Yeah, this is a big house. It's gonna be pretty. Oh, they've been burning a fire in here already. It's been a little while since I was here. Oh yeah, looks real good. Sheetrock looks good. This is the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms, and this has a 3-way switch. Switching it on and off over here, on and off over here. This is the middle bedroom. And then there's a final room over here, but they said this is probably not a bedroom. This is more like an office. But yeah, take you back out and show you the front from the, I'll walk back up the hill and walk out here and trash pile. See if I can get the front in the picture. That's what the house is going to look like right there. You got a detached garage over there.